Today's the day. My unit has been down for 2 weeks. I've been using temporary window units. Compressor locks up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start. My friend AC guy is I'm gonna get a new unit, so I gotta take this one out. Trying to back the trailer as close as I can and then put the plywood right there and just put a dolly and roll it up. That way we don't have to spend so much time tomorrow. Today's Friday and then tomorrow's Saturday, so we're gonna put a new unit on. I think this is the 2-ton, and I'm gonna go ahead up a little bit. I think 2.5 ton. And it is so hot, I gotta put up a canopy to remove that unit. Whew. Well, all done, guys. Really quiet package. Had to reroute, cover the conduit. And all that is hard like a rock. Gorilla clear silicone. I just got to touch up on the base area for the gravel to fill up the cracks. But cold. A little pricey, but it's cold. That's all it matters.